What's up, YouTube? We got another unit, no heat. Let's see if we can find the problem. So unfortunately, to get to the board and everything else, I have to remove the flue. So we're gonna remove this flue and get to the board. So I remove these screws, and these screws. Let's find out what's going on. So we're gonna check the code. 1, 2, 3. So 1 fast flash and 2 slow flashes. Now we're gonna look at the back of the panel. Just to see what that means. And we'll see what that means. Well, it seems to be running, and I just reset the unit. So let's let it run for a while and see what's going on here. So the issue is due to airflow. Yep, here's our corporate 30 filter. So here we have another issue. Looks like the motor mounts are loose. Now we're gonna try to fix that by tightening it. And if that's not it, then we need new mounts, which are these little rubber things under the washers. Let's give it a shot. So we have bad motor mounts, and they will have to be changed out. Unfortunately, it's a weekend, so we have to work the part. Stay tuned for the replacement. Now this was all due to a dirty air filter. Please like and subscribe.